Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about this type of railing. Uh, Last class we already created a new grass rail. So now today we are going to talk about this type of railing, which is such as not glass, just a steel bar. It could be a steel bar or wooden rail. So let's do it. First of all, I just close this tab. Just close this tab and create a new file. Okay. Okay, this is the new file. Then go to the railing in tutorial toolbar, tool ribbon bar, and just click line. Before that, just properties panel, drop down menu, just click the basic guardrail rectangle basic default railing. Just select this rail and draw it just like such as L shaped. Okay, then finish this rail first of all, then go to the 3D and we have to check this rail and how to what is the detailing of this rail. First of all, now select the rail and go to the edit type and select this rail structure. No, this not non-continuous. We have to click the baluster placement and first this start post, corner post and end post, and just select the none. Then okay, and just select the preview. Now before that, and we have to close this second rail, top rail, which is placed in this handrail 1, and go to the handrail option and select none, then apply and okay. And now this is the as you see the second rail, handrail 1, is already gone. Okay, we don't need this handrail 1, so we need to this top rail. Okay, go to again edit type and set this top rail. So top rail height is 3 feet, and go to the type option in top rail, and extension is none, and the length is 0. We don't need this option. Apply. Okay, now go to the again this hand clearance, set the 0, then apply. Okay, as I just want to see elevation or section, just click left or right. Okay, we have to fix this top rail option, or just offset in middle part in the baluster post. Just place the align to baluster post. Okay, then go to the select the rail and click edit type. Oh, by the way, we have to create a section. just select a section line from quick selection toolbar. Just select create a section, and let's double click the section line. You see the section of the railing, and we have to fix this top rail aligned to baluster. Select this, just drag this section on side position, and click edit type, and then create a baluster offset. If we create distance from previous host, so what we change this baluster or top rail offset, we have to change baluster offset. If we change this baluster offset, we need to apply a dimension to know the distance of the top rail and the baluster offset. If we see the middle portion of the top rail and go to the middle portion or middle point of the baluster post, 1 inch difference. Select the rail, go to edit type, and if we baluster offset, if we 1 inch put down in baluster offset 1 inch, then apply. We see it's not working, so we have to go back to 0 inch and go to the top rail option and hand clearance. Go to the hand clearance, say -1 inch, then apply. Okay, so we see the is it aligned to middle line to baluster post. Just check it out and go to the dimension bar. Just draw a line, annotate and pick detail line. Just select the middle line of the baluster part, top rail and baluster part. We see the this line from this 5/8 inch and this point from baluster post and to top rail point. We see the baluster post and the top rail already set in middle portion. That's how we edit this baluster post and top rail. We have lot to do work to set this baluster post and horizontal bar and top rail. Now just select this rail and just click edit type, and go to the rail structure, edit non-continuous, and we have to add some profile in this section. Insert, go to insert and go to profile, and say curve type. We need to create first, we need to edit first a profile which is placed in the railing lower portion of the railing. Okay, the first profile, rectangle type 2, handrail, rectangle handrail, square handrail 1/4 inch. We just pick this profile. Last video, when we created glass rail profile, you already saw that video, how to create a profile. Just go to that video, and I just shared this video in the end of the in this video tutorial. just check it out. Okay, uh, for how to create a profile for this railing section. Mm. I just select this square handrail 1/4 inch. Okay, and just create another, just select, create another, and just apply. So we see the railing profile in below the top rail already set in one continuous rail. We have to replace this bar and created more bar in this rail below this top rail section, and create a more. Say this top rail section should be as height, say 6 inch. Apply, and see this 1/4 inch bar already set in 6 inch. And go to the select this profile and create duplicate. Say 9 inch. Apply. Select this profile, duplicate 12 inch. Select this profile, duplicate 15 inch. Select this profile, duplicate 18 inch. Select this profile and duplicate. Say we have to create a different dimension. We have to place the different dimension. Say 18 inch and so 24 inch. Apply, and also another create a duplicate bar, duplicate, and say 27 inch. Apply. Okay, this is the create some railing below this top rail. And now just apply this OK and apply. And before that we need to change another section, this post. Just click the baluster placement and this baluster square, we need to change this post, say steel flat upright 2 inch 12 inch. We need to this baluster post, change the baluster post, and say distance previous 1 feet, 1 feet, and also pattern is 1 feet. Then apply OK. Apply OK. We see, go to the 3D view. You see the railing top rail bar and some horizontal bar in below the top rail section, and post already set in equal direction in both ways. So we see the railing already created, and edit this rail, top rail, and this continuous rail below this top rail and baluster post. And also say if we change the baluster post and edit type, go to the edit type and just create select this non-continuous bar. Say we have to set this post, this bar, change this bar 2 feet 3 inch, say, and add this section, say duplicate, and also put the dimension this box, this section 30 inch, and apply and apply. See, the bar will be created in set in this portion. just below the top rail. So just go to the baluster post and go to the say we have to create we have to just set the post we have to set the post gap, baluster post gap in between say 2 feet. You have to increase this baluster gap. So just place the dimension this distance from previous and just say 2 feet, 2 feet, and also it will be 2 feet, and apply, then apply this. We see the post set equally in both direction. Then okay. If we set in the end portion, if we set the end portion post baluster post, set the baluster post, just go to the select the railing and go to the edit type, and just select this rail structure, say, or go to this top rail section, select this top rail, and extension in beginning, just extension style, then say floor, and just apply. Okay, just select this okay for now. Just go to again edit type and select this top rail in type properties, and say it should be 3 inch, apply, or 1 inch, apply. You should not set this, the minimum is it set the minimum distance, say 2 inch. Okay, see, we set this bar in last say beginning section, beginning or bottom part, and say plus straight depth, apply. Okay, and just select the 3D view. The bar is already set, and also if we select again the top rail of the properties and go to the extension end part and select the floor and apply, say 2 inch, and apply. Okay, should not be set, say 3 inch, then okay. We see the end part of the inside of this railing, the post baluster post already set, and also set the end part, this railing portion, the baluster post already set. So okay, that's it. This simple railing creating process we saw. We see this railing part. Now next video or next tutorial, we have to create a different type of railing. We will see how to create a different type of railing. We will share with you in next video. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.